Hey everybody, it's Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser, where I go on a weekend cruise just about every single weekend. And this weekend I'm here on Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas, staying in Junior Suite 9326. It is a nice Junior Suite. It's going to look a little bit dated probably, but it's not a bad size and you can still have an amazing cruise vacation here. So let's check out Junior Suite 9326 here on Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas. All right, starting outside of 9326, you'll see that it is right down the hallway from the midship elevator. So that's going to be where that green sign is, way down there, if you can see it. It's only about 6 cabins down. I actually do like this room a wee little bit better because you're not right there on top of all of the elevator commotion, people coming and going in the hallway. You are a little removed from that. And look at that handsome fella from the new merchandise store. So if you haven't checked it out, head on over to theweekendcruiser.com. See what some of the merchandise is over there if you want to check it out. Coming into the room here, you're going to see a normal king-size bed, so the Royal Caribbean bed here. This can be separated into two, so when they do that, they're going to put your 2 nightstands in the middle, push the beds to each side, and it's really great if you don't want to sleep directly beside of somebody, and it's super easy for your stateroom attendant to do. You're going to have the lights over here that are going to turn on the main primary light, and then you're going to have your smaller little reading light there that you can move all around. And I will call out, I love calling out my Manta Sleep Master. The link for that is down below. It is great for slide sleepers. So you see that it's got a little, doesn't have as much cushion on the other side, doesn't touch your eye. It is a game changer in a room that has tons of windows. This is also the side of the room that I have been sleeping on because there is no cord or power outlet on that side of the bed. So I run a 10-foot cord from the desk. So let's talk about the desk over here. So here is your desk on board stateroom 9326. It is a good sized junior suite stateroom. One of my favorite things that's always in these rooms, though I'm interestingly drinking a little bit less of it these days, is the Lavazza coffee maker. And so I'm definitely seeing a lot more of the Tierra on here and your decaf in blue behind. There are some teas, so if you're more of a tea person, you're gonna get that as well. I think there was a time where I used to always take those with me when I left the ship. Don't do that anymore though. And down below, you're gonna have your refrigerator slash chiller. Nothing too special about these. It only gets to about 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Sorry for all of my folks outside of the US, I don't know how to convert that very well. And you're gonna have my shelf up top for mixers and elixirs. You know, this can really be used for just about anything. This seems to be a great spot to get these at least out of eyesight so that I'm not looking at them all in the room. But you're gonna have your power outlets here. So you've got 220 volts, and this is the light that will turn on the lights for your mirror or vanity mirror. So the reason that I sleep on the left side of the bed is I run a 10-foot cord, and I've hid it for cleanliness purposes of this video. I didn't want it to look too terribly distraught in here, but I run it from there over to the bed. And so when I do that, I sleep on the left side. So if I need to get up and go to the restroom over there, I'm not tripping over a cord that is dangling in the way. But that is the best way. If you want to sleep with your phone beside of you, make sure you're buying one of those 10-foot power cords down below. A little bit of shelving behind these mirrors, though not a ton. And a few more little cute items here from theweekendcruiser.com hat and teddy bear. I've got a bottle of champagne that I think comes with my Crown and Anchor benefits. I'm not sure about that. And your hair dryer is going to be down here. And I'm starting to learn that these black hair dryers just aren't as good as the white ones on other sailings that I've been on. You're also going to have your breakfast menu. So if you are somebody who likes to order breakfast, this is the drawer that you can go into to do that. And you can have some of your heavenly soft Kleenexes in there, though they are not very good at all. I don't recommend those. You're going to have your safe over here. So if you want to store any sensitive kind of information, you can do that in here. As the passports, credit cards. It looks like the screen there popped off a little bit, but it's not uncommon. And more storage. So a junior suite, if you've never stayed in one before and you're looking at this for a longer sailing, has the best storage that I've seen on any of the lines. So I'm going to come, let's see, I'm going to come over here to the chairs because I didn't talk about these things just yet. You've got your green chair here. And so everything in this room is going to look a little bit dated. You've got your old school flower table over there. At least that's what I told myself it was for. I use it as storage, so I packed all that up for this video. The curtains, yeah, they're just going to be a little on the dated side. They're not the best color in the world. And then you're gonna have your couch over here. This is a pull-out couch. So I've got one of my little towel friends down here. I call him Henry. He's gonna be showing you that the couch doesn't actually close up all the way. And I've seen this on a few of the rooms on Liberty this season now, where it's just kind of broken and doesn't close like it used to. But the couch is not the prettiest couch. And then you put it beside of the drapes and it really starts to show its age a little bit in this room. I did not call out earlier, but I do like to do this. The black phones here do not have a USB port. So if you're on a ship that has one of the newer white phones, you're gonna have a USB port beside of your bed, and that is wonderful. You don't necessarily need the 10-foot cord for that, but this room doesn't come with it. All right, let's head into the closet. So this is, again, one of my personal favorite things about coming to a junior suite is how much space you're going to get. So you get tons of space. I put my suitcase down here at the bottom. And then if you come over, they put the life jackets. There is enough for, what is that, 6 people it looks like? Or maybe there's 2 kids, so 4 total, and plenty of shelving. So if you are gonna be using that pull-out and getting another 4 people in this room, no issues whatsoever. It's funny, I was talking with some other YouTubers yesterday talking about hooks in the room. That Carnival doesn't have many of them. Royal has a good number of these. We've got 2 of these hooks out here. And if I step into the bathroom quickly, I just open that door up. You see that I've got another 4 hooks inside of here. They're really close together and I can't always get things to stay on those knobs very well. But we do have a decent number of hooks. Inside of the bathroom, you can see I have good countertop space. I have stopped putting things away on weekend sailings into the mirrors. So the mirrors here are going to pull out. And back in the day, I would come in, I'd unpack, I'd throw everything up, and I'm getting more into the routine of just leaving it in my nice little free lunchbox that I picked up from a work trip a while ago, because that's just the easiest option for me, and it keeps everything in there. So this is a decent sink. Both of the mirrors open up. You're gonna have additional storage down below. Though always make sure you're checking here to not forget anything. And you're gonna have your junior suite bathtub. So this is something that really makes it for a lot of folks. It's the ability to come, relax, take a bath. People love being able to get into this bath. The shower pressure has been tremendous. Though these nozzle heads up here, I feel like change on all the ships. So this one is an adjustable one. And I've kind of played around with it and found that I like the rain option the best. You're gonna come with some soaps, shampoos, and conditioner already built into the room. Though you all know that I bring my own. So that is what that bottle is there for this great hair of mine. It is special. If getting into a junior suite tub, or even if you're staying in a grand suite or higher, make sure you're picking those legs up. This is a good little step up to get into the bath. I fit my shins on it many a times, and I wanna make sure you do not do that as well. All right, let's see if I can step over here and show you the balcony. So this is the best feature for most people. Let my camera catch up on how much sun is out here. So we're in Coco Cay today. I moved my table here because I had my hotspot attached to it earlier. So that's why it's directly in front of the door. But the great thing with the junior suite balcony is you get lounge chairs. So these are my favorite place to sit in. The other chairs aren't bad. They're also adjustable. But it does allow you to have a little bit more legroom, a little bit more space. Come out here and quickly show you Coco Cay and what you can expect to see from a view. Oh, the hot air balloon is going up, 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 and away, which means it's going to be a perfect day, but not that much breeze. So you've got the hump balconies just there to your right that are sticking out. And then you're going to have NCL's Island over here where you can see where they have ships. So I normally don't see too terribly many ships there. And then look all the way up to the bridge here to the front of the ship. So that is Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas Junior Suite Stateroom 9326. It is a decent room, especially if you want to get a few more people in here. I love the extra space, all of the closet space that's going to come with this room. So hopefully this will be a good room for you if you happen to be looking at this one to book. All right, everybody, this is Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser. Hoping to see you on a weekend sailing soon.